The topic of this video is what is a disc bulge or disc herniation worth in my personal injury case? So you may have received an MRI report or have been briefed by your doctor about an injury that you sustained to your spine. And normally the most common types of what we call soft tissue injuries are disc bulges or disc herniations. And again, they're often only found through an MRI report. That's really one of the only diagnostic tests that is sensitive enough to find those bulges and herniations. So what I brought today was a sample of a spine to assist in explaining what exactly a herniation and a bulge is. And so what you see here is a spinal cord. You have the vertebrae, and they are separated by discs. And running along the back, of course, is the spinal cord and then the spinal nerves. Now, these discs are basically the compression, the shock absorbers for your spine. And what happens is, in an injury, they get compressed violently. And the soft gelatinous material between, which is basically cartilage, will rupture out through the hard cartilage on the outside. And if it ruptures, what you see here is an example, the red is an example of a herniation. And basically what the doctors explain it to me, it's almost like a jelly donut. If you squish the jelly donut, the jelly squirts out. So what happens is this gel then presses on the spinal nerve and causes pain. Now this is, as I said, this is a herniation. A bulge, I don't have an example here, a bulge just means that the disc is bulging. It hasn't actually ruptured out through, so bulges are less severe. Now, insurance companies do not value bulges anywhere the way they value herniations. In fact, if you go to a mediation or have any type of interaction with a defense lawyer, they always take the position that, oh, this bulge could not have been caused in a car accident or some type of personal injury accident, which is nonsense, but it's just a defense that they always throw out there. So they just don't place a whole lot of value on bulges. They do place value on herniations, however, because, again, there's a higher percentage of chance that that herniation is going to cause significant pain. And they realize that and they respect that. So, in any event, in terms of what the value of these cases are, again, I'm talking about the Tampa Bay area over my career. Not only conservative care. So if you get an MRI report and it shows bulges or a bulge or bulges or herniations or herniations, again, they don't give you X number of dollars per. It's usually just simply, okay, does one exist or not? And again, I'm talking about conservative treatment only, so chiropractic or physical therapy. Once you start getting into injections or surgical procedures, that's a whole new ballgame. So just basic conservative care. And what I found is that insurance companies for a bulge will pay somewhere in the range of $7,500 to $15,000. And that, again, bulge or bulges. For herniations, herniation or herniations, you're usually in the range of $15,000 to $30,000 for that type of injury. So hopefully this video explains the value of bulges, herniations, and what exactly they are.